Stormtracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, the high clouds have started to return here to the Willamette Valley and thickening up out along the coast as well. You can see behind me there the storm tracker starting to dot up a little bit of green. Most of that not hitting the ground just yet. Checked all the observations across western Washington and the northwest coast here in Oregon, and so far just overcast. But that is our next front that we'll start to move on through. Let's go outside and show you what we've got out there for the next couple of days. Right now, not bad. So earlier in the newscast here, temperatures still looking fairly decent. Again, a lot of this is going to get a little thicker as we go overnight tonight. I'm expecting early, and I mean early morning showers along the coast. Looks like we will have a wet commute for everybody up and down the I-5 corridor inland here as well. Temperatures slowly falling back to the upper 40s now here in Eugene. We sat into around 53 today, where they're still sitting down towards Cottage Grove, one of our reporting stations. 54 down in Roseburg. You can see just kind of a whiteout, or sort of what we'll call overcast, as the high clouds and mid clouds and some of the stratus deck, and that's that real blanket of cloud cover that generally comes in with the warm fronts now starting to push its way into western Oregon here. So here's how things will stack up late night tonight. We'll go early morning showers, probably an hour or so before the morning commute gets going down to Roseburg in the upper 30s. Everyone else sitting probably late night tonight. This is all after midnight. Coast will see it first couple of hours of Tuesday morning, and then again, as I mentioned, for that morning commute, likely going to be looking a little wet out there for just about everybody. So we'll stay showery for most of the work week. As we transition towards Thursday and Friday, we'll start to see a bit of a drier air mass move in, but there's a lot of cold air moving in with that one as well. So as that last system moves in, it's going to drop snow lines pretty quickly. We will see a bit of a bump in the snow back down to around 3,500 feet, so thus the passes will come back into play as we head late tomorrow night. But it will all start off as rain. Our front's still pretty far offshore, and we got a good little circulation with that load circulating out there as well in the central Pacific. So the cool air building in behind that will give us a bit of a break on Wednesday. Not much, maybe, you know, just kind of isolated at best. But what we'll really notice is that this is going to be a real fast mover moving through mainly by tomorrow afternoon. We'll see some lightly scattered showers through tomorrow night into early Wednesday. That I think it's isolated best. Computers are trying to speed up that next system that's back in behind this one on Thursday, may move it through late Wednesday night into Thursday. Now there's the cold air building in behind that we'll have to watch for as well, but right now it looks like most of that cold air will get here after the rain itself moves through. So that doesn't necessarily mean we'll have to deal with low snow elevations, but I do expect the snow lines to drop down to around 2,000 feet by late Thursday night. Friday and Saturday, they'll be at the surface, but we should be dry at that point. If things start to slow down and we have to make some adjustments to it, we'll certainly let you know. But right now, we'll count for another dry but kind of cooler weekend forecast. So here's what we've got at the coast tomorrow. We'll see those showers and temperatures around 50 again or so on Wednesday. Showers wrapping up pretty much by Thursday afternoon. And then look at the weekend again. How many times in a row have we seen nice weekends for us here at the coast this time of year? Certainly not the ordinary, that's for sure. Scattered showers tomorrow in the Umpqua. Southwest winds around 5 to 10. That'll keep the temperatures around 50 degrees overall, staying somewhat mild, but then you see the cooler air and the drier air moving pretty quickly Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As we go into the Cascades, rain changing over to snow, freezing lines dropping down to around 3,500 feet. We'll see the 30s for forecast highs by late tomorrow afternoon and evening. Isolated rain showers in Bend and Redmond tomorrow. We'll change that over to snow at times as we go to Thursday. Again, not much accumulation. Another beautiful weekend expected out in central Oregon. And finally here in the valley, scattered showers tomorrow. They'll be a little stronger, a little more widespread tomorrow morning, kind of taper off by the afternoon. Same thing as we go to Wednesday. Thursday, we'll get another quick hit. And you see those temperatures drop pretty quickly as we go into the weekend. And with the fog in the valley, overnight lows below freezing into the weekend too. We could see some icy, you know, or sort of we'll call them slick spots basically Saturday and Sunday morning. So just kind of watch out for that.
Still better than the fog.
Better than the fog.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.